In this video, we will go through manual amendment for attendance transactions. Mainly, all transactions related to attendance could be found within attendance menu. Clicking on Manage Attendance, we can select from date to date, and based on this duration, we can click View to display all employees. However, it's better to perform different manual amendments on one employee at a time. By clicking View, the system will display a grid including the attendance. In our example, we will do manual amendment for 2 days for the same employee. As we can see over here, the system will display the date, the day, the employee name, and the working schedule. In order to see the details of the working schedule, we can click on it and it will open in another tab. The same applies for the attendance rule. The attendance rule is displayed at the bottom of the working schedule, and by clicking on it, we will open the attendance rule to check it or modify it. On the right hand, we have expected. So the expected attendance for this employee on the 9th of April is off day. And on the 10th, we have a working schedule. In order to change any transaction or add, we need to click on the plus button, which will display different controls. I can delete a record. I can edit a record, change the time in 24-hour format, and I can select the transaction type and the machine for this manual amendment. I can add my notes and click Save. As we can see, the time has changed in the type, and I have my notes with the attendance device. I click on Save, so the system saves these transactions. As we can see, some of the entries could be manual entries, stating clearly that it was entered by the user. Also over here, modified will be displayed if the user has modified any record. Other transactions that are pulled from attendance devices or GPS locations will display regularly without the modified flag. Also, we have the default button. The default button will add entries according to working schedules. For this example, we click on default and we can see that the system by default inserts an in transaction at 8 and 1 and out, and then in and then out. And we click Save. By clicking Save, we have committed our changes.